Good morning, everyone. Today I'm doing my Instagram Controls My Life video, and I may have to change some of the options I originally had because weather's not cooperating. But the first question was, what should I do for my workout? A yoga video or cardio and toning? Yoga was the winner with 100%. Now, not a ton of people voted, so hopefully more people will vote for ones moving on, but yoga was the winner. So that's what I'm gonna go and do now. The next poll was to see if we should go out to breakfast or eat breakfast at home. And everybody 100% voted for go out to breakfast. The place they voted for, 67% voted for a place called Mom's. So that's where we're headed. Good choice from all of you on breakfast. I very much enjoyed my waffle. We just didn't look out with our waitress. She was very unfriendly, didn't smile, not personable. It was like pulling teeth to get anything. But other than that, it was good. So now that breakfast is done, we are headed to the outlets. Originally, we were going to pool or beach, but it's supposed to rain and thunderstorm today, so we didn't want to take that chance. Well, I know it's sunny now. That could change, so couldn't go with that choice, but there'll be some other choices later on. So we are back home now, but I wanted to update you on the latest poll result because while we were out at the outlets, I desperately needed an afternoon pick-me-up of coffee, and so I polled you to see if it was time for coffee or not. And I'm happy to say that you came through with 67% of the vote saying yes, allowing me to get my coffee so I would feel more awake. So thank you for that. My mom, Sheila, and I are going to see Singing in the Rain tonight at a theater in DeLand. So I've come up with a few choices as to how I should appear for tonight. First being which of these shirts I should wear, whether I should wear my hair up or down, and whether I should do colorful or neutral makeup. So hopefully I'll get those results soon so I can start getting ready. So I'm going to talk about the look you voted on, but I do want to disclose that if there was a tie within the time I had allotted for the poll, I used my dad as the tiebreaker. So for the shirt, came down to 50-50. So I asked my dad which shirt, and he chose this one. And then same with the hair, came down to 50-50. And I did give it an hour, but then I really had to get ready to be ready in time. So then that's when I asked him, and he said down, hence it's down. We'll see how that goes in the Florida humidity. And then it was definitely colorful makeup that was the most voted for by the time I completed it, or by the time I had to finish getting ready. And so I used my Disney Designer Collection by ColourPop, and I went with the color Poison Apple because it's a nice purple color that I thought would go nicely with either top. So there you go, that's my look for tonight. We are back home now after the show. It was very entertaining and enjoyable. The lead actor actually sang in the rain. They had rain that came down into like kind of a corral, and he did the full number, singing and dancing in the rain and getting all wet, and so that was cool, and just the acting was very well done and the singing, and I enjoyed it. And the last poll for the day was whether or not to do a face mask or go straight to bed. And it's later than I anticipated because it's 11 o'clock right now, but face mask was the winner. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick before heading to bed. I'm gonna use this unicorn one. Good morning, it is Monday, April 29th, and I did not vlog the last couple of days because as usual, I was just enjoying time with family, but today I am going over to my brother Brandon's house, and we're going to bake a cake, and it's going to be a layer cake, which I've never made before. Don't think he has too, so it should be, I don't think he has either, so I think it should be an interesting experience. Hopefully it will go well and we'll have some yummy cake to eat later, but I'm not going to record it. I will try to put some pictures in of the process, but it won't be recorded. If it goes well, maybe I'll do a baking video on it later on, but we will see. But I will check back with you when I can, or when I'm up to something else. Good morning, it is Tuesday, and we are hanging poolside this morning, accompanied by the lovely sound of lawn mowing and weed whackers. But hopefully that won't last long. But it's the first time at the pool for this trip, and hopefully it's warmer. Actually, I don't think I could even come last time because it was winter and it was probably cold. So, hopefully it's nice and warm today. That was quite lovely. The water was perfect temperature, not too toasty, but comfy and refreshing for swimming. today was a good day. We enjoyed ourselves at the pool this morning. Then I took my parents to lunch as a belated birthday celebration because they both had big birthdays this year, and that was a nice lunch. Then my brother took me out fishing this evening, and I caught my first redfish ever, so that was fun. Saw some dolphins, a baby manatee, and so I have pictures of all of those things that I will include as I'm speaking about them. But we have another exciting day planned tomorrow, so I'm off to get some rest so that I can fully enjoy that tomorrow. Good morning. Mom and I are headed off to the spa this morning. She's getting a pedicure. Yes, a pedicure. And I'm getting a massage because I think I've had one in my life. And I've been wanting to get one for a while. So I thought, I'm on vacation in Florida, I might as well give it a shot. So hopefully it will be nice and relaxing. Then this place has a pool and hot tub you can hang out in afterwards. So it should be a good morning. We are at the spa. I had a great Swedish massage and feel very relaxed. We're now enjoying time by the pool. I only have my phone. I didn't bring my camera because they probably really don't want you recording, but I'm just on myself right now, so it's okay. But yeah, so we're nice and relaxed. I'm about to read my book, but I definitely think I need to do this more often, hopefully at least 4 times a year, because it is a very good thing to do for yourself. Again, I think last time I talked to you was yesterday at the spa, and that was an amazing time. I really enjoyed it. Then last night we went to dinner to celebrate my brother's birthday. Then went to see Avengers Endgame, and I really enjoyed it. Even though I prepared myself because it was long, it didn't feel that long, and I'm really glad that we all saw it. Then this morning I've just been kind of relaxing, playing some Nintendo Switch with my brother. We also stopped at a local donut shop that was good. I forget the name of it. But haven't gotten a lot of footage from yesterday, and today I'll have some pictures to insert from the movie and the spa and things like that. But my dad has actually headed to New York, so he will be gone until Monday, but I head home late tomorrow night, so had to say goodbye to him. But right now my mom and I are headed to the pool for a bit, trying to get in as much pool time and sunshine as possible. So I'll try to check in with you while we are at the pool. Then tonight we're going over to my brother's and having dinner there. My other brother and I think his fiance is coming, and so it'll be one last little hurrah before I head home. I'll still have time with my mom and oldest brother tomorrow before I head home later in the evening, but the others will be working, so that's why I figure tonight is my last night with them for this trip. Hope you're doing well. Now off to the pool. At the pool, enjoying another relaxing, warm, sunny afternoon, and I'm being incredibly spoiled with this beautiful weather and warm sunshine and relaxing and fun activities, and it's gonna make it very hard to go back home to not so nice weather and real life responsibilities. But I am very much enjoying it, so now I'm going to read my book and soak in all of this relaxation. Also, I can't remember if I said, it's nice because we have the pool area all to ourselves, so it's like our own little private pool. We're home from my brother's, And my mom and I have decided to do some face masks. So I'm gonna do this penguin one, partly so it saves space not having to take it home. And she's using my Origins rose mask, so I'll show you that once she has it applied. But once mine's applied, I won't be able to talk too much, so I thought I'd do this ahead of time. And we just put on First Wives Club because I haven't seen it in a long time, and it's a fun girly one. Here we are in our masks. Mine's quite crazy. Hello, I am back at home now, back with Scott and Duncan, which is nice. I had a really wonderful trip in Florida visiting my family. It was a really great bonding time, and we did lots of fun things without it being go, go, go crazy schedule, so that was nice. So yeah, it was a really good time, and I look forward to when I can see them again. But I hope that you enjoyed coming along with me and seeing what I got up to. Let me know in the comments what your favorite moment or day or activity was. I would love to know your thoughts. But now I'm going to say goodbye. Of course, you'll have all my other videos, and then in June, you'll be getting a weekly vlog. So make sure to stay tuned for that. But otherwise, I will see you in the next video.